do my Sugarpill. Speaking of Sugarpill, she came out with like a Halloween. I mean, this became available like the day before Halloween. And it's a black with green palette, but the colors inside, these purples, are gorgeous. This kind of looks like the purple that she wanted 16 to be. They have some warm colors, but the purples and blues are so pretty. And I wanted the free shipping, so this was like 40, and then free shipping's 50, but I also wanted this. This was like 20, and as you know, she is like the only like high-end independent person I will buy from. And so I got this, and so maybe I'll do this. We'll see for next week, because I doubt in a while. They haven't been coming out with a holiday collection for a while. They usually do more like holiday gift sets. So anyway, and Black Radiance came out with these like highlighting blush trio palettes, and I got two of them because they said it was limited edition, but now I'm starting to wonder if it's gonna be regular line. So I got, just in case they sold out, I got this one because this one has like a swirl effect. I haven't even opened it because since I was on vacation. I just got it, and you put it aside, but I just wanted to show it to you real quick. See how pretty that is? My hand hurts. So you got like the green and brown, purple and pink, and like pink and gold swirl. And then I got this other one. There's four. If they still have it this weekend, I'll probably order the other two. Plus, they came out with new blush sticks and highlighting sticks. But I just want to get the other two, because you can use this for anything: eyeshadows, blush. And so this one is their purple, pink, and orange one. So I got this one. Now I want to get their neutral ones. More, it's like a cool tone neutral with like taupey colors. And then the other one, of course, is their warm one. And out of the blush stick, I'm only getting the purple one. I'm not going to get the highlighting stick or anything like that. But I do like that purple blush stick. So this weekend, when my PayPal turns over, I'll get it. So yeah, just wanted to show you that real quick.